Hello everybody, I'm Jala. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna speak to you about mouth-related and mouth-containing words. If you are ready, let's get started. A mouth is a part of our face. It's used for eating, speaking, and so on. The plural form is pronounced as a mouths. The second meaning is a person needing food. For example, the number of hungry mouths is increasing. Mouth also means a particular way of speaking. For example, "What's your mouth?" means stop saying things that are rude or offensive. There are also adjectives with the word mouth: open-mouthed, wide-mouthed, narrow-mouthed, crude-mouthed, foul-mouthed. We use crude-mouthed or foul-mouthed for people who speak in a rude way, usually swearing. Mouthful means an amount of food or drink put in your mouth at one time. She took a mouthful of water. To say mouthful means to say something important using only a few words. Mouth guard, a cover that a sports player wears in his mouth to protect the teeth and gums. Mouthpiece, it has three meanings. The part of the phone that's next to your mouth when you speak, the part of a musical instrument that you place between your lips, and a person that speaks on behalf of another person. Mouthwash, a liquid used to make the mouth fresh and healthy. Mouth watering, looks or smells so good that you wanna eat it immediately. Mouth-watering food. Mouthy. It's used to describe a person who talks a lot, sometimes expressing their opinions in a rude way. Be all mouth. It's an idiom. If you say she is all mouth, you mean that she talks a lot about doing something, but in fact she's not brave enough to do it. Down in the mouth means unhappy and depressed. Keep your mouth shut, not to talk about something to somebody because it will upset or annoy them. Why didn't you keep your mouth shut? Now she's upset. Run off at the mouth, to talk too much in a way that's not sensible. Mouth off at something. This phrasal verb means to talk or complain loudly about something. Born with a silver spoon in your mouth means having rich parents. Butter wouldn't melt in somebody's mouth. This idiom is used to say that somebody seems to be kind or innocent when they are not really. Butter wouldn't melt in her mouth. Put your food in your mouth. To say or do something that upsets, offends somebody. I put my food in my mouth. I didn't know she would split up with her boyfriend. Somebody's heart in your mouth. When I say my heart is in my mouth, I mean I feel nervous or frightened about something. Leave a bad taste in the mouth. When we say this event Left a bad taste in the mouth, we mean this event made us feel ashamed afterwards. My mouth fell open. I was surprised. It's our mouth, our upper lip, lower lip, jaw. Inside it, we have oral cavity. We have uvular, tonsils, teeth, tongue, hard palate, soft palate, and some other vital parts. We do lots of things with our mouth. When we vomit, we bring food from the stomach back out through our mouth. It usually happens when we are sick. We can wrinkle our mouth. We can smile, laugh, shout, and do many other things with our mouth. We have saliva in our mouth. Cough. When you cough, you force out air suddenly and noisily through your throat. Sneeze. To have air come suddenly and noisily through your mouth and nose in a way that you can't control. Whistle. To make a high sound or a musical tune by forcing your breath out when your lips are closed. By the way, I can't whistle. Spit or spittle. To force liquid out of your mouth. It can be disgusting. Ugh. Yawn. To open your mouth wide and breathe in deeply through it, usually because you're tired or bored. Try not to be mouthy. Always try to say good things to people and make friends. Take care.